Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a new update on how to send multiple photos in a Gmail reply on your PC. So let's dive right in. First, open up your Gmail account. Once you're in, find the email you want to reply to. Click on it to open it up and then scroll down to the reply button. When you click on reply, you'll see a little photo icon at the bottom of the email. Click on that icon to start adding photos to your reply. Next, choose the photos you want to include in your reply. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each photo. Once you've selected all the photos you want to send, click Open. If you'd like, you can also write a little note to go along with your photos. Just type out your message in the reply box. Once you're all set, go ahead and click on the Send button to shoot off your email with the photos attached. And there you have it. Sending multiple photos in a Gmail reply on your PC is now easier than ever with this new update. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy emailing.